So, okay, so this is the right side. So you can see, as you can see here, this is the camber. So we're gonna have to, we did this, we're gonna have to build a sleeve for this.
For it to go in there, right?
Yeah.
It's not gonna
We're just trying to verify that if the TSX and the cords are the same size, and also the TL. As I was saying before, this is the bushing for this one here. This is the OEM, we just got done pushing this. Pressing this thing in. Okay. Same thing on this side here.
The bottom one.
The bottom one's right here. And then as far as everything else goes, this would be kind of like the brake. This is actually a disc. This will convert it to, no, actually this is the drum, I'm sorry. This is a drum. It gets automatic converted to a disc, which is like the TL. I'll show you. This, no, the TSX, I mean. This is actually the TSX. This is actually based off the TSX, but they're the same.
Okay,
so you have to use a TSX rotor and then the caliper.
When you do the conversion, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
So the automatic converts it.
Alright. And like other cars, if they just want to put it on, don't want to go all-wheel drive, they can put a stubby in, or? Yeah,
we could put a stubby in if they don't want to do it. That's what I'm saying. You could do it like literally like, okay, I want to go all-wheel drive, but I'm not ready. I'm just going to do it
in stages. Right?
Stages. They could just buy this, put the stubby in, and then that's it.
Bolt it up, yeah.
Yeah. And this is actually lighter than this OEM one. This is actually built up. This is actually cast.
All right, cool. And the diff mount working with that, is it the same one that's over here?
No. So you can see the diff mount on the bottom here. We took the gas tank out and we put it back up. So you can see here, most likely this has to be removed.
The sway bar?
The sway bar, yeah.
So it could just sit right here and the wheels go.
So most likely what we're going to do is we're going to build a tubular where all you have to do is, the goal is just for you to get the tubular with the diff and all that, and just bolt right up.
Bolt right up, right?
We're going to try to make it to where there's no welding at all. And it looks like it's possible with this one here.
Just the upper bar for the diff?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. So, and then you see here, the diff is going to go here, so this might be going downward. Has to be going downward instead of upward. Or we could go upward with it.
Upward with it, right?
Upward with it, yeah. So we just figure out which way will make it stronger.
Okay.
But that's the next step.
Next
so
step,
we're gonna
guys.
cut this out. We're gonna cut this thing out, so we can get a jig basically, and then we're gonna put the diff up to see exactly where it's gonna be. You know, position the diff, then we'll make everything. Then we're like, okay, once we make it, we're like, okay, this is the jig for it.
Okay. All right, guys. This is what's next. Stay tuned. Summon Jan Accord.
So we're gonna try to fit this. We finally got the old one out. Here, we're gonna fit it in here. See how good this thing fits. We'll make a sleeve for this.
Sleevey sleeve.
Yeah, so once that thing gets sleeved, that's a sleeve for this. We're gonna take it off the TSX, because this is actually based off the TSX. The difference between the TSX is the TSXs, they come with cast.
Oh, okay.
Cast aluminum. Their core, they're cast steel. They're heavier. And then of course we'll make ours out of billet.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take the one off the Accord. I mean off the TSX. We're gonna put the sleeves in here. It's a metal sleeve. We'll test it out. So yeah, I think that's
all the bolts fit in. Yeah. Pretty nice. Okay. You gonna bolt something up for the meantime, or?
Yeah, we're gonna bolt it up. Actually, no, we have to take it back out. Okay. We just want to see
how it looks.
Make it, see everything fits. Everything is straight. Everything is. It's the same. It's the same part, just modified a little bit. Okay, so
it's pretty
bring it up.
It's pretty fucking close to the center.
So you go to the right a little bit?
this right, my right, your right. Go to the right a little.
But bring this thing down like this. Like that. Let me see.
It's gotta go to the right.
Okay.
It's gotta go to the right like 2 inches. Like right there. That's pretty much the center.
Okay, let me see that.
Eyeball.
Come over here, look. Oh, the angle is. Yeah, we have to go up more. Go up a little more.
Forward.
Forward. This way.
You can't, as far as you can go.
Okay.
You might have notch.
Yeah. We have to do that.
Hey, you know it's
Actually, you know what? No, it's not that bad, dude.
When you're talking
This
about,
right now is not bad at all, dude. This actually has better angle than the Civic.
do you know when you're talking about your subframe
Yeah,
thing,
that's not bad.
you can like literally.
And then this goes down.
Just pull the top bar and everything.
That's exactly what
And
it
then
is. That's exactly what we're doing. We're making it to where this bar here will hold the top bar and everything. So when you get it, there's no welding involved. It's just boop, put it up.
Oh.
The whole back would
The
have
whole
no
back,
welding. It would just,
no welding.
But I mean, to get a subframe, that's going to be pretty expensive.
It still would be cheaper than them having someone pay someone to go do it.
It's not a diff mount. Their diff mount is a subframe.
Yep.
It's a subframe diff mount.
Yeah.
So
It's
you
got-
get
A whole new subframe that includes a diff mount.
yeah.
And it's gonna look dope. For now it looks like it. We're not still R&D process.
Yeah, R&D, but I'm gonna say about 95% that it's gonna be a true bolt-on.
Chad, what you say, 98?
I say he's right. I say this looks easier than what we're going to figure out for the front. Honestly, it looks like now it looks way easier than
More logical, right? The front you're like
the
rotted.
front is. We got to figure out what.
The transfer case?
Yeah, and the steering rack looks like it may have to get moved a smidge. So
Okay.
when we get to that, a
Well,
smidge.
Nothing we can't do. Put
No.
your head to it. Is that where's that from?
This is actually
Crossdoor.
Crossdoor.
Not crossfire.
Crossfire. Pontiac.
Yeah.
Crossdoor Honda. Take a good look.
all right. That's it.
This is TSX?
TSX, yeah.
All right, so we got everything kind of bolted up on here. The only thing is we didn't tighten this thing up yet because we still have to get this sleeve right here made. So we just put it in here. Once it tightens up, you can see. So that's the camber. This is of course a TSX rotors and caliper because these Accord come with the drums in the back, so you can see everything fits. Nicely spin. Watch, let me put this thing on.
Everything bolts up. You got a saw.
Everything bolts up. The only thing that we had to do, that you guys are gonna have to do, is this arm right here. All we did was flip it so we could put the bolt this way, because when we try to put the bolt this way, it hits right here,
Okay.
and we don't want to make this thing smaller. So that's all we did. We took this off, flipped it around this way here, and then we bolted it this way here. So see, everything fits. This is actually from the TSX, all this stuff
That's
here.
your TSX.
Yeah, so the bushing's in. This bushing, that's OEM Honda bushing here. OEM Honda bushing here that we pressed on. And then everything else just bolts up. And you can see here the axles, we
cut right there.
we cut here just to see where the angle is. And it's literally like dead on, like, you know. Of course, we're gonna try to make a whole new subframe for this. Make it a kind of like a true bolt-on kit, where you just get everything and it bolts right
Bolts
up.
right up. Right. Okay, stay tuned. More updates on this hub. More R&D.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind is we'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind is
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind is
Them wheels are always
we'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it, your Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all will drive the world. I see them changing the game, that's when always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation, watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all wheels gripping pavement. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one.
S1, all wheel drive, got the mind that's killing time. S1, all wheel drive, got the mind that's killing time.
We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping.
S1, all wheel drive, got the mind that's killing time.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all wheel drive, got the mind that's killing time.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah, warming up that A6. The Florida got the street cred, roaring down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B-Series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico, racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us, so K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20, MR2, and SXCRX with the K24, reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that camera cord that's
S1, all wheel drive, got the mind that's killing time. S1, all wheel drive, got the mind that's killing time.
we'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping.
S1, all wheel drive, got the mind that's killing time.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1,